together, little boy. You know what I'm talking about? Alright, sir. So what kind of haircut do you want today?
I'm gonna steal your car. Shit. Hook me up with one of them good Taylor frames, my boy. You already know. I probably need some. You see that cut? You see that cut?
Let me see if I can see what you're talking about.
You see that? Holy gee. Hook it up, get the hair off my ear cut. Holy shit. It's a boyfriend. You got me? How much is gonna run me, cuz?
Shit, man. Just give me the 30 cents. I got you.
Niggas broke shackers a bitch out here charging $30 for a taper a
Alright. I got you, cuz. Just stay still.
Hold on! Hold on, cuz! Where the guard at? Where the guard? Where the guard?
No, this is how I start my fade, cuz. This is how I start my fade. Come on, you pressing too hard, cuz. You pressing too hard. Dang. Can you comb my hair first? Shit, I got you. I got you. Shit. But damn! Nigga!
Let's go back home.
Damn!